सब्सक्राइब कीजिए VMOHA टेक को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं और पाएं लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजिकल अपडेट्स।
Hello everyone, Namaskar, welcome to VMOHA Tech, and sorry for not being uploading the videos for the past some weeks because some of my workloads. But yes, we have come up with new video, that's the Dell Inspiron 557 laptop and the W574 gaming mouse. Let's get started. So this is the box of the Dell Inspiron 5577 gaming laptop. Let's open it up quickly. And this is the adapter of the laptop which came inside the box. This is the adapter, battery charging adapter. Okay, let's keep it aside for a while. And this is the cable cord, 3-pin cable cord that is connected to the AC supply. This is the cord. Okay, now here comes the main laptop. This is the laptop inside the box. Let's open it up. And yeah, this is the laptop. This design is cool. And this is the mouse, the W574 gaming mouse from the Targus. This is the box. You can see the mouse picture, and some details have written W574. And in the back side, how the functions of the mouse have been written. You can see that. Okay, the mouse function, keys. It's a 6-key gaming mouse. The box looks awesome. Let's open it up. Okay, this is the mouse. Okay, let's open it. Yeah, this is the mouse, gaming mouse from the Targus. Okay, looks really cool. Yeah, from my view it's looking cool. The design is perfect for a gamer to be set in the hand. So in the laptop we have the 7th Gen i5 processor in it, and this is the mouse which has 1600 dpi optical sensor, means faster gaming. Okay, and it has 6 wireless keys, that means a gamer can precisely game in it. And it has the laptop has 6GB DDR4 RAM, 8GB sorry, and 128GB SSD and 1TB hard disk. Cool. And it has the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 4GB DDR5 graphics card. This is awesome. And it has a 3-level DPI adjustment for the mouse, 800, 39 and 1500. Okay, so this is the mouse. We have plugged in the battery inside it, and we have on it. Yeah, the design is awesome, the precision, the cuts. But one thing I dislike is that it's not in a RGB mode, because a gamer it feels like a gaming experience, but no, it's not have any RGB colors. It has the 6 keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are the 2 at the sides, 5 and 6. Okay, the keys are perfect, but I think this should have the RGBs, but okay, no problem. But for gaming, the mouse is perfect. So it has the 2-tune speaker, subwoofer, and WaveMax Audio Pro, the speaker of the laptop, and it has the red back LED keyboard with numeric keypads. It's okay. I will not prefer it much higher. And dual Wi-Fi band with 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. It's really perfect. And it has the 74 watt-hour 6-cell battery, a massive battery.